In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw money from your Phantom wallet to your GCash account. This process involves transferring your cryptocurrency to an exchange, converting it to Philippine pesos, and finally withdrawing it to GCash. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth transaction. Begin by opening your exchange application. Make sure you are connected to the internet and that the app is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Once the app is open, look for the option labeled Deposit Crypto and click on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. On the deposit screen, you will see a list of cryptocurrencies. Choose the coin you currently have in your Phantom wallet, such as SEL or USDT. After making your selection, a unique deposit address will be generated for you. Copy this deposit address carefully, as it will be needed for transfer your funds. Next, switch to your Phantom wallet application. In the wallet interface, locate and click on the send button. This option is typically found on the main screen of your wallet. After clicking send, you will need to select the same cryptocurrency that you previously chose in the exchange. Confirm your selection to proceed. Now, paste the deposit address you copied from the exchange into the designated field in Phantom. Double check to ensure that the address is correct, as any mistake could result in a loss of funds. Once you have confirmed that the address is accurate, proceed to confirm the transaction. You may need to wait a moment while the transaction is processed. After you have sent the cryptocurrency, monitor the exchange for your deposit. This may take some time depending on network conditions, so patience is key. Once the crypto has arrived in your exchange account, you are ready to convert it. Look for the option labeled Trade, Convert, or Sell within the exchange app and click on it. Select the cryptocurrency you just deposited and choose to sell it for Philippine pesos. Follow the prompts to complete the sale. This step is crucial as it allows you to convert your digital assets into a currency that can be withdrawn to GCash. Once you have successfully sold your cryptocurrency for PHP, navigate to the withdrawal section of the exchange app. From there, select Withdraw PHP as your option. You will then be prompted to choose GCash as your withdrawal method. Enter your GC number accurately to ensure the funds are sent to the correct account. Finally, confirm the withdrawal request. After confirmation, the funds will be processed and should appear in your GCash account shortly. Keep in mind that processing times may vary, so allow some time for the transaction to complete. Ensure you have a stable internet connection throughout this process to avoid any disruptions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.